Good morning, guys. This is not the best way to come on and introduce a video, but today I am going to share with you what I eat in a day as a type 2 diabetic. It's 7:10 and I'm just gonna quickly have some water because I've literally just woken up. I take two chaste tree vitamins first thing before anything else. I think that my day-to-day life is not a hell of a lot different from many other people's day-to-day lives. Maybe how I feel might be a little bit different, but day-to-day I don't think my life is that much different because of my diabetes. So I'm a type 2 diabetic, and I've been a type 2 diabetic since as long as I can remember. I think I got tested when I was like 15, 16. So I just try to avoid, I don't completely, like I do from time to time, indulge in desserts, and I do have snacks and processed sugar in my pantry, but I do try not to eat a lot of it. I don't like the way it makes me feel, so I just try to avoid things like that. Sugary, I don't drink like sugary sodas or anything like that. But I test my sugar not every morning. I won't put it on camera though because it's blood related, so some people might be a bit squeamish, but it's just like this little finger pricker. I could test it all day, every day, and I've done that before, and I have been in periods where I do that. I'm just gonna wash my hands. But in general, I try not to test it all day, every day, just because I don't feel like it's good for my psyche either. Like it's, as long as I feel okay, then that's what I'm gonna go by, because sometimes I've felt okay and then I test my sugar and it's like higher than I thought it would be, and then I start freaking out about it. So it's just not really worth it. I have my levels tested through a blood test every 6 to 12 months. And as long as I know that's okay and that's still within range, then I'm happy. Now I'm going to go downstairs and contemplate whether or not I have a decaf coffee or a coffee. Oh, okay. Here's my coffee with soy milk. I'm gonna drink this now, do my stretches, head straight to the gym, come back, make my breakfast. Just got back from the gym. I'm gonna just stick to decaf for the foreseeable future. I had the most intense anxiety while at the gym. Still a little bit anxious, but definitely not as anxious as I was. You should have seen me on that damn cross trainer, okay? Friggin' cross training like I'm trying to run away from a wildebeest. But in actual fact, I was just trying to like get out my anxiety, and I was like, mindfulness! This rest of this week, I'm just gonna do decaf and see how I feel. But anyway, that's enough about me. My, falling apart nature. I've just got myself a little bit of a smoothie happening. So far I've just put my half a banana, a little bit of blueberries I ran out, mostly some frozen raspberries, some spinach, teaspoon of chia seeds. I don't usually put ice in it in the winter time just because I'm already cold enough as it is. I've got my raw protein slim and tone. This is the vanilla flavor. I don't measure it. I just put like a heaped tablespoon. Almond butter. So I'm also going to put in this JS Health greens and collagen powder. I don't know if it really helps or anything, but I'm well aware, and you'll see throughout the day, that I do want to incorporate more greens into my diet. I do want to eat more greens, and I'm trying. I just don't really like them. This was my smoothie. I put it in these fun little cups I got from Amazon. I feel like I'm, 7 years old again at like a little milk parlor with my little glass straw. I just love the aesthetic of it. So I'm gonna have this, take my vitamins, which I will show you as well. I'm also just watching some Chris Rock on YouTube because I'm gonna go see him tonight, and I'm just so excited. Like, I'm so excited to laugh. And we're not allowed to have any phones in the building, which honestly I understand. I'm so happy that I get to sit down in a theater tonight and laugh and be in the moment and not worry about my phone, and I'm just so excited. Laughter is truly the best medicine. So I'm just gonna make myself this, drink it, take my vitamins, show you what I'm taking, and then I'll be back, hopefully showered and not looking like this, for lunchtime. Every morning I take 3 sprays of my vitamin D. I have my Hemo Red Plus, which is just like an iron supplement. And I also take a teaspoon. I do 2 of these, and you'll see later tonight. I'll hopefully do another one. This is my C-Max. This is vitamin C, like a vitamin C drink. It actually doesn't taste too bad. Like, it's not my favorite thing in the world, but it definitely doesn't taste like gross. So, yeah, that's my morning for you. And I'll see you again for lunch. This is clearly so disorganized because I don't even really know what I'm eating for lunch yet. It'll be a surprise for both of us. It's a few hours later, it's just gone 1 o'clock. Excuse this, okay? I'm not actually gonna get ready for like another few hours just because I want to do my hair and makeup just before I go out tonight. So I actually also got a new sugar tester reader today because I'm not gonna lie, this morning's result, 7.5, kind of freaked me out a little bit. Because I'm not usually that high, and I went to the pharmacy, and because I've had that sugar tester, like glucose like measurer thing for like I think about 7 years, the pharmacist did say that, you know, after they can kind of lose accuracy, like since you've had it for over 5 years, it might be worth getting a new one. So I did get a new one. I did test my levels like about half an hour ago, and I tested them on both machines, and one of them said 7.7, the other one said 7.3. So my new one, I'm gonna just go with that result because that mentally makes me feel a lot less stressed out. But I probably should go and get an updated like blood test. I'm going to make my lunch now, and it's nothing overly exciting. It's actually takeaway from last night. I don't order takeaway that much during the week, like very, very rarely, but I just could be effed quick last night. So I'm gonna heat that up now, and tonight I'm gonna make something before Chris Rock. I'm gonna heat up my chicken now. I literally just have like chicken and salad. I ordered from this Greek restaurant that I love, that I'm close to. So I'm gonna heat that up. Some chamomile tea that I might also have after my lunch because I need to chill the fuck out. Okay, it's become very apparent to me that I need to chill, and hopefully this will help. It is 6:35 p.m. My boyfriend will be here in like 10-15 minutes. I've just kind of prepped most of our meal, and I'm yet to put the rice. I'm just gonna heat up the rice, and then the rice is gonna go just where that little gap is. But it's got like hot smoked salmon, edamame beans, carrot, pickled ginger, avocado, cucumber. I also made this dressing, and I'll have the recipe linked in the description if you want to make it. I've also got like a Coke Zero just because I'm tired. I'm tired and I want some caffeine, a bit of an energy boost before I go out tonight. Will I put some rum in it? Honestly, maybe. This is a bit unusual for a Thursday night for me, but I might put some rum in it. This is my outfit minus the slippers. I'll put my boots on. And yeah, I'm also gonna have one more glass of my C-Max. You've seen this in my breakfast portion of the video. I've also got 2 zinc capsules that I'll be taking. One of my, I can't even say this properly. One of my molybdenum. This is to help get the copper out of my body. And tonight, if I'm feeling like I want to, and if I can be bothered, I'm gonna have some of my Ultra Night Muscle Ease powder, which is just good for like sleep, relaxation, my muscle repair. So yeah, this is my night in a nutshell. Sorry I didn't really get to show you like a real proper look of me eating my dinner and like taking my supplements. These are my adorable little, look how cute they are. Like seriously, I hope he likes these because I just think the presentation is just A1. So yeah, this is the setup, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you'd like to see maybe like another one of these, or what I eat in a week, or just another like daily one, yeah, let me know in the comments down below. And I hope that even if you are or you aren't diabetic, I hope this gave you some inspiration of different meals to cook and meal ideas. And definitely need to get more greens in though. Like more like, you know, like my spinach, my broccoli, my green beans, asparagus. Like I do want to get more of those types of veggies in my life and in my day-to-day life. So that's something that I really want to work on. But for now, this will do. So thanks so much for joining me in today's video. I'm gonna have another one linked to you right here. If you haven't had enough of me just yet, feel free to join me over there. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.